Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 18th, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. Short of ways, the euro dollar did go right down to the 61% and actually broke back to the upside. The trend is definitely still up on the monthly, the weekly, and the daily. It kind of looks like it potentially made a WXY. Kind of looks like one, two, three ways down, one, two, three ways up, one, two, three ways down, a 333 pattern, which is a WXY in Elliot wave terms. Now, today is federal funds interest rate news later on this evening for the US dollar, and that is a really big news event for the dollar. And I will be live streaming for that news event on YouTube. So definitely make sure to stop in and get my latest analysis for that. But as of right now, this definitely looks like a possible ABC Crescent. I mean, it looks like a possible Crescent to the last wave up, three waves down, three waves up, three waves down, WXY, 61% Fib bounce. There's probably a pretty good chance because the trend is up on all the higher time frames that this does go back up to retest these previous highs. And then maybe today's news later on today may end up changing the direction on the higher time frames, or maybe it'll just continue in the direction that it's already going in. Like I said, definitely stop in to check out my YouTube live stream for the latest review on your favorite pairs. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.